Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4.5. Ni'n neud galwad agored I cael aelodau newydd i'r cynulliad lleol Local Motion.
So the Local Motion Citizens Assembly is a kind of forum or a group of citizens of Carmarthen which allows them to come together, people from all walks of life, every type of person, come together, have an impact on and decide how we affect radical change in the town of Carmarthen.
Locomotion is a project. What's locomotion? Locomotion is a project working around the question, what if the oldest town in Wales could model a radical future for everyone? From this question, we developed a programme focusing on 4 key areas: climate democracy, anti-poverty, social justice and young people.
The function of the local assembly is making Carmarthen more vibrant, more inclusive. It's a great opportunity for your mark on Carmarthen.
Together, we are exploring what a fairer, more connected future for Carmarthen could look like.